Ignite your video editing with the magic of keyframes in Capcut PC, transforming static clips into captivating animated stories. Let's dive into mastering keyframes to add precise motion and stunning visual flair to your projects first. Open your Capcut PC and import the video clip you want to animate. Locate your clip on the timeline now. Find the diamond-shaped icon, which is the keyframe button, usually found near the clip's properties or on the timeline itself. Click it once to enable keyframe animation for this clip. You'll see a diamond icon appear on your timeline where your playhead is positioned. To create movement, move your playhead to a different point on the timeline now. Adjust a property of your video clip, for instance. Let's try moving it. Grab the clip directly on the preview window and drag it to a new position. Watch as a new keyframe, another yellow diamond, automatically appears at your new playhead position. Now, play back your video. See how Capcut smoothly interpolates the movement between those two keyframes, creating a seamless animation from the first position to the second. Keyframes aren't just for position. You can animate virtually any transform property. Select your clip on the timeline, and then access the transform properties. You can animate scale to make a clip grow or shrink, rotation to spin it, and even opacity to make it fade in or out. Simply set a keyframe at your starting point, move the playhead, change the value of the property, like scaling it up. And Capcut adds another keyframe when played back. Your clip will dynamically change its scale over time. Combine keyframes on multiple properties for incredibly complex and professional-looking motion graphics. Experiment with adding multiple keyframes along the timeline to create intricate paths and varied animation styles. With keyframes in Capcut PC, you have the power to tell your story with dynamic movement, bringing your vision to life with precise control and professional polish.